Hi, so this is my final video where I compare three products for plastic for the car, and as you can see this has been about a month now. This was the area where I used turtle wax. This was 303 and this was Back to Black by Mothers, and I have to say the first two, they look almost the same in terms of the color. Back to Black has the best color. That's my judgment. And on top of the car, this was also regular wax 303, and this was Back to Black, another winner. And on this side of the car, on the front door, on the plastic, I used 303 only. In the back was Back to Black, and definitely after a month of sun exposure and not washing the car and plastic, I can definitely see that Back to Black is a little bit better in terms of keeping the color. 303 faded the color just a bit, not as much. Probably if I didn't tell you that I use different products on the same plastic, you wouldn't even tell the difference. So it's not a dramatic difference between the last two. Definitely 303 and Back to Black are much better on the plastic than regular turtle wax. So this concludes my review. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.